I'm going to be traveling for a month and was just about to head to the airport, but I noticed some weird small bugs walking around my apartment. So before I leave, I'm going to set up one of these Zevo Flying Insect Traps. I got these because I saw they were getting popular on Amazon, but this will actually be my first time ever using one of these. So we're going to set this up for the first time together, and then I'm going to share my results with you after I come back from my travels so you can see how many bugs it can collect. Here we go. This is what one of these devices look like. It's pretty straightforward. On the back, you can see there's the plug where you're going to plug it into the outlet. And here there is a cartridge, which we're going to remove. We're going to peel the sticker off like this. This is going to be the sticky part that the bugs are going to get attracted to and stuck on. And then we're just going to reinsert it into this cartridge container like that and plug it in. This is what the device looks like when it's fully set up. The bugs are going to get attracted to the light, and then they're going to get stuck on the sticky material in the cartridge. This cartridge holder can also rotate 90 degrees, which you might find helpful depending on how you need to set it up in your own house. But for me, I'm just going to leave it this way. Since this is newly set up, as you can see, we don't have any bugs in it quite yet. But that is it. Now I'm going to go off to my travels, and we're going to come back in 30 days and see how many bugs that we catch. Okay, here we go. All right, I've just returned from my travels. It was pretty busy over the weekend, so it's now technically been a little bit over a month, but let's see how many bugs we caught. And also as a forewarning, this could be a little gross. Alrighty, here we go. Ooh, that is a lot of bugs. Okay, I'm going to take this off for a sec so you can get a better look. Yeah, these were the bugs that I saw crawling around before I left. I did not realize there were that many of them, but it looks like this insect trap is really effective. Before heading out, I only set up this single trap, but since coming back, I haven't seen any of those small bugs running around my apartment. So I would say that this is proven to be a really effective device. So if you're looking for an affordable and highly effective device to get rid of bugs around your house, pick up the Zevo Flying Insect Trap for yourself today. You're going to be set.